Welcome to Johnny for Christ Digital YouTube channels, home of premium skills, where you are made a life-breathing cash machine.
I believe you have heard about this before. It's Nairaworker. So I just registered into this and I see that wow, two special things amaze me about this thing. Okay, so I'm going to show you all what it entails. Okay, stick to this place. Don't go anywhere. I'm going to drop a link for you to register. When you register through that link, you have an assigned little cash. Once you register through that link, it's Nairaworker. The link is in the description of this video. Okay, so you complete this registration. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Don't go anywhere. Complete the registration. Sign up. Once you sign up, there will be an email for you to verify your email. And after you verify your email, okay, work start. Okay, just go. Let's sign up. We have signed in. All right. This is how your dashboard will look like. Nairaworker. Welcome to the name for Christ. Okay, I just register. I've not completed any job. Okay. And this is paying. It is in naira and they are paying. All right. Now I said two things. Two things are here. Can you see? Can you see this thing? Hire random workers. Yes. Maybe you are a digital skill entrepreneur and you need people. Okay. So you can easily use this thing and you need people to. You need followers. Okay. You need traffic. Unless you need 500 likes or followers for sign up or anything like that, subscribe to your YouTube channel. So you can come here. Okay, you can come here for sign up things. Anything you want to do, any sign up. Okay, any sign up that require like people that are doing PAMPay. And PAMPay, when you register and do your KYC, there's only PAMPay used to pay you. So people put it here, and they get people that will do that for them for a fee. Can you see? So these are where we get the jobs we do. So you too can create job for people. As when you have a sign up for as this as 20 naira, 30 naira, one person do sign up for you 30 naira, 40 naira. That's awesome. All right. So this is one of the interesting thing for me. This is what I'm using most of the time for this site. Okay. You need Twitter followers. You need Facebook followers. You need right and honest review of your products. You need it. Mobile app downloads. All right. You can do them. Your survey. You want them to survey and fill some offer forum. Okay, so all your job description will be here and you submit the job. Once you post the job and they will review it. Once they review it, your order also will be there. And this is massive. Okay. If you are doing Facebook ad, you can spend like 5,000, 6,000. Okay. I'm sure you are not going to spend up to that when you use this Nairaworker. That's the first thing that amazed me about this site. Okay, so you can post a job here if you are a skill developer or you have something you are selling. Okay, you have something people want people to post for you. You are organizing a free class, a free training class. You can easily do that on Nairaworker. That is sweet. Okay, so don't go anywhere. I'm still going to show you the second aspect that is amazing also. Let's just go back. The second aspect is this: perform small tasks. Okay, all the tasks they are posted, that there are people that will do it. All right, so you want to perform small tasks, click on that. When you want to perform small tasks, what are the things involved in performing a small task? Okay, yes, can you see? These are the tasks. These are the tasks. Very easy tax. This one they are paying in naira. They are paying us in naira. See, it depends on how many you can do per day. The tax are so simple compared to sport gigs. All right, the taxes are very simple. Okay, if you are looking for higher task, okay, you can use 70 naira for to join to share a group link. Most of us are sharing group link without any money. You can do that and earn cool cash here. Cool cash. It depends on how many you are free to do a lot of work per day. Can you see this one? This is for Pampay. Can you see? Get 1,000 bonus instant. I'm waiting for okay. Okay. I'm sure Pampay pay people very well for this thing. You can see them. They can easily come here. Okay. And instead of begging people to help them click their link, this is another way of doing it. And I'm sure I'm going to spend up to a little amount of money to get it done. If you are paying 100 naira for one person, this site also will have their own thing. Let's say 150 on one person, and you are gaining 1,000 on a referral. This is a good business. This is a good one. All right, can you see 35 naira, 58 naira? Pamp easy task. Can you see? People are here making cool cash. If you have like 2 hours per day, if you can dedicate 3 hours per day, 1 hour per day, 30 minutes per day, you can easily make cool naira year. I mean it's cool naira year. Okay, I mean it's okay. If I have the time, I will come and work. I'm using it for the other options. I'm using it for the other option. I post my jobs here. And people are doing my job. Join Telegram group without any force. Join and have a 14 naira. You can later leave the group. Okay. So it is advisable. If, don't just be wasting your credit. Sorry, don't just be wasting your data. Okay. Yeah, you can easily be getting data subscription money from this site. Hmm? Just budget yourself in a day. How many can I do? In a week, how many can I do? So the two option is for you to choose. This is two options that I really love. All right. You just register and you get in and you make your cool cash. This is lovely. This is lovely. Okay. So set your profile. These are the jobs, available job. Okay. If you have any job, look at the available jobs that you can do. Okay. If there are available jobs that you can do. If you can have this in Span gigs, Span gigs pay in dollar, this one pay in naira, combine it together. You'll be having little, okay, highest paying. You can check the highest paying to see the one that are paying higher. And if you have the chance to get through, okay, that will be interesting. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, as I promise to be bringing you things that will make you cool cash. Cool cash, cool cash. Can you see? Look at this one. 650. 650. Credit instant from app. Just download app. Okay. Can you say 630, 650? Wow. If you can, let me view this job. View the job. Let me view this job. Your friend invites you to register now to receive ordinary cash. If you successfully borrow money, you can withdraw ordinary cash, blah, 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 and see from me when your proof of job completion has been completed. I'll be approved. Click on this. Enter your mobile number. Download the app. Complete registration. Request for a loan of 3,000. If you want more, you can increase it. They will charge you, but don't worry. Your bonus will cover. After the no approval, you will see my account at the bottom of the app. Click on it. Wow. On approval of your task. Wow, this is interesting. This is interesting. This is interesting. You get no, you still get wow. Wow, people are really making a lot from this thing. Okay? If you can do 50 job, like do 10 per day. So that's 6 5. Do 5 per day, 3 plus. Okay, these are the way people make money. So just check, view all the job. If you are capable of doing it, 150, 125. These are good jobs. Okay, so you can be using the highest paying and look at what you can do. I believe this will help someone. Okay, don't just be idle. Your phone is a magic. Okay, I've given you what you can use to earn in dollar. I'm giving you what you can use to earn in naira. Don't forget to subscribe. This is Journey for Christ Editors. Hope to see you next in my next video. Thank you and stay blessed.